Procrastination. We all do it. Whether it's scrolling through social media, binge-watching Netflix, or finding other distractions while your to-do list grows, it happens to everyone. But what if I told you that stopping procrastination is actually simple? It's not as hard as you might think. Procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's about avoiding things that feel uncomfortable. Think about it. A big project feels overwhelming, so you avoid it. An awkward email feels risky, so you don't send it. Instead, you stick to your comfort zone, where everything feels safe. The good news? You can change how you respond to this feeling. Here's the truth. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Waiting to feel motivated before starting something is like waiting for a train that never comes. That's where the 2-minute rule comes in. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. Don't overthink it. Just do it. That email you've been avoiding? Reply now. Socks on the floor? Pick them up. These small wins might seem minor, but they create momentum. And momentum is powerful. It helps you get more done, step by step. What about bigger tasks that feel overwhelming? The trick is to break them into smaller steps. Let's say you have to write a report. Don't think about finishing the whole thing. Start with step 1. Open the document. Step 2. Write the title. Step 3. Type 1 sentence. That's it. When you take small steps, big tasks feel less scary and more doable. Here's a helpful tip. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Tell yourself you only need to work on the task for those 10 minutes. Most of the time, once you start, you'll want to keep going even after the timer ends. Because starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, it's easier to keep going. Your environment also matters. If you're surrounded by distractions, staying focused is tough. So get rid of distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone in another room, or use apps to block distracting websites. Make your workspace clean, quiet, and free of interruptions. The right environment can make a big difference. Here's another thing. Your brain rewards action. Finishing tasks releases dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel good and motivated. It's your brain's way of saying, "Great job, let's keep going." When you associate completing tasks with feeling good, procrastination becomes less tempting. Don't forget to celebrate your progress no matter how small it might seem. Every small step forward is an achievement. Cross something off your to-do list? Finished a big project? Reward yourself with something you enjoy. A nice meal, some relaxing time, or watching an episode of your favorite show. These small rewards are important because they make the process of getting things done more enjoyable and help you stay motivated for the next steps. Celebrating progress doesn't mean waiting for a huge milestone. It's about appreciating the little victories along the way. These moments remind you that you're making progress, and they help build your confidence. Instead of focusing on everything you still need to do, focus on what you've already done. That positive mindset will keep you moving forward. And remember, you don't need the perfect plan, the perfect moment, or even the perfect mood to start. Progress isn't about being perfect. It's about taking one small step at a time and being consistent. Even the tiniest action, like replying to an email or picking up a piece of clutter, can make a difference. And momentum makes big tasks feel less overwhelming. Each small step builds momentum. Over time, these little actions add up, and before you know it, you'll look back and see how far you've come. Procrastination loses its power when you focus on progress instead of perfection. So why wait? Take that first step now. Open that document you've been avoiding, send that email, or pick up those socks on the floor. Small actions today can lead to big changes tomorrow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.